We are on a brand new WordPress installation. All that has happened so far is that the Astra theme has been installed. So it's time to have a first look at the plugins. So we go in the left column, click on plugins, on installed plugins. And first off, we're gonna delete the plugins that we definitely don't want to have, that are no need. And now we are going to install one plugin, and the first plugin we should have is a backup plugin, because there's no good if we do any work and then lose it. So we are going to search for Updraft. And here it is, UpdraftPlus WordPress backup plugin. We hit install. We activate. And we go straight into the settings to set it up. So we need to go to the settings tab. I want to back it up to Google Drive. Actually, we changed this to daily backups. We're gonna keep 5, but you can choose whatever is suitable for you. And we choose to back it up on Google Drive. Once we choose Google Drive, we need to hit the Save Changes below, as you can see here. So we do this first before we can set the information for Google. So we're just going to scroll down. We tick this box because we want to get the basic report to know the backups are working. We save the changes. The pop-up is prompted, and we need to log in to our Google account. Allow. And we hit complete setup. And we do a first backup just to check everything is really working. And we hit this button once. We should do this maybe once a week or whatever time frame. So this backup we need to delete manually. The other 5 backups we've chosen, they will just replace themselves with a newer backup. But this one, if we tick this box and we do one manual backup from time to time, that we have to delete manually. So if we do it regularly, we always have one older backup we need to choose. So we hit backup now. It's not a big WordPress site yet because there's really nothing but that theme. And the backup is finished, and if we go a little bit further down, we can see we now have one backup, and it shows this little padlock sign. On the bottom left of the screen is where you are looking. And this is one that you have to delete manually. So when we go back into the plugins, we now should show 3 plugins, and UpdraftPlus is the first we installed ourselves for backup and restore. Very important, do this first thing, otherwise you might lose all your work.